Hello to my beautiful pouring family. Just want to give a shout out to all of my new subscribers. Lots of new artists coming to the scene. And so I'm super thrilled that you are watching my content. And I appreciate all the nice comments. So today, friends, I am stepping out of my comfort zone once again. And believe it or not, I have never done a open cup pour, but we're changing that today. So these are my colors. I'm doing a disrupted open cup pour where we're kind of move some things around, and I'm really enjoying these new kind of videos where I'll walk you through something I've never done, showing you the good and the bad, to help you along your journey. It's just fun, and we want to try new things. It's good to try new things. It's good to step outside of our comfort zone. So these are my paint consistencies. Also, with this pour, most of my paint is leftover paints from other projects, so we're using up our paint and not letting it dry out. And so most of these colors are custom mixed, as you see on the screen. But let's dig into it a little further. So because I've never really done this before, I had to look to some artists for inspiration, and it's three that come to mind. Britt Clayton Design, because she does a lot of pours like this, so I looked at her stuff. Also Studio 15 Acrylics with Brian. He's been doing some wonderful disrupted open cup pours. And then the color inspiration is a combination of Cos Creations and Britt Clayton again. And while we're setting everything up, let me tell you about my Fluid Art and Abstract Retreat happening in just a couple of months. A really, really great time. More information is coming later, but yes, you can come paint with me in person, learn all of my secrets, and just relax and have an amazing time. So what I've just done is laid down my flood coat. Yes, I'm going to flood the canvas for the most part. And then we will start building our colors for our open cup and see what happens. I'm also using a new canvas. This is a 16 by 20 Master's Touch, and it has like a piece of cardboard under, so it makes it easier for pouring. Not sure how much I like it, but I'm trying it out, so I'll let you know more about that. So what I'm pouring around and in is like a mini metal cake thing. I don't know what you would call it. I found a bunch of these in my bin and I've never used it. So I thought, hey, let me try my open cup and using some of these tools that I've never used. So the purpose or idea is to get the paints to come out from the bottom of your open cup and create really beautiful sails. It's not happening. The paint is not coming out, so I'm trying to force it out here and add a little more color just to see if I can get it to move. So I'll have to help it out a bit and kind of see where we go from here. Well, we got a reaction. I had to force this paint to move. So let's actually switch things up, and this is called an open cup. So maybe we should actually use a open cup. So I'm using the torch to see if I can get more color to pop through the black. Okay, so like y'all, the crazy thing is now I really like this piece. You know, it dried, it sat on me. I love the turquoise, but now I struggle with the orientation. I struggle if I should add some embellishment to it. I'm thinking maybe diamond dust or either some gold leafing. I'm just feeling very inspired, very motivated to do another one of these. You may see this piece again, but in the meantime, let's learn about the Fluid Art and Abstract Retreat coming up. Come paint, learn, and relax in the beautiful Durham, North Carolina, affectionately known as the Bull City. Yes, it's back and bigger than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fluid Art and Abstract Retreat is back. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to hug you and love up on you. Yes, we are going to be painting in the beautiful Durham, North Carolina. I cannot wait to see you. So much love is happening in the building, baby. We are going to unwind. We're going to relax. We're going to learn and we're going to paint together. We're going to create some memories of a lifetime. So the booking information is below, but treat yourself. Come be wined and dined by me and my team. I cannot wait to see you there. July 25th through the 28th. I got to go get ready, so bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. And my students are making some amazing artwork here at the Fluid Art Experience. Today we learned Galaxy Board! And check out what Laura and Felicia did. This is Felicia. Hi! And this is Laura. Yeah! And we made some amazing art.
Yes!